Hello, this is Sangeeta. I'm an HRIS analyst and I have 6 years of experience in IT industry. I'm very much experienced in HR analytics with Excel in specific, and I have got chance to work across other roles too, like a proper data analyst, a business analyst, HR analyst, and a BI analyst. I'm known for my responsiveness and a quick turnaround with Excel. Today, I would like to speak about simple hacks to make your Excel table look professional. So, let's go to the Excel tab. So, we have some movies data here, and if you want to make it look professional instantly, there are some few formatting ideas which you can experiment when you're with less time. First thing I would like to do is to adjust the size of rows and columns as per the data. So what you have to do, you need to double click here between two columns and the data gets adjusted to itself. Similarly, you have to select the sheet again and then do double click here, and if any data which is there, it will get adjusted as per the rows as well. So we have this data and I want to put a borders for this, all borders, and I would like to add thick outside borders as well. To differentiate this title from rest of the data, I would like to select this and give a color to it, whichever is allowed in your organization. You can select the data color. Maybe I would like to select green here, and then I bold the title. So to differentiate this from the rest of the data, I may want to increase the size of the text. So yeah, then we see the data is aligned as per the text or number. So if I would like everything to be in the middle, I have to select this and then click on this alignment to center, which makes it more representable, and this table can be directly utilized to place it in a PowerPoint presentation. So to make it more appealing, I would like to remove the grid lines as well. So this is a final table. That's it. This looks so good. And then you can give a sheet name to it as well. Movies data. And then you can present this as is. And if you want to make this table fit to the your screen, maybe you want to increase the size of the magnificent, and then you see that now it's ready to present and it looks good as well. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.